According to Forrester, the speed of innovation is one of the most profound and disruptive forces in human history, and companies that master automation will dominate their industries. Forbes takes it a step further, stating the speed of innovation is becoming the essence of survival. Because your competition is making progress, doing nothing or moving slowly in product development and R&D portfolio management isn't an option. We wanted to make it easier. Our network product development suite automates routine, redundant product development processes, digitizes recipe iteration and product documentation, and connects teams and supply chains. A unified view of your products and related processes across your business and throughout your supply chain helps your team work smarter. The TraceGains Network Product Development Suite advances ingredient and supplier research, qualification, collaboration, risk mitigation, and recipe formulation to drive innovation and shorten time to market for new products. Let's see what network product development can do for you. Supplier Management connects cross-department teams with suppliers and co-manufacturers to manage your entire supplier program in one place. Information exchange, documentation, and agreements are tracked and turned into digital records. Companies choose which suppliers can access shared specifications on TraceGains Network. This allows them to author or edit, review read-only sections, add comments, attach documents, negotiate attributes, and approve or decline specifications, with all correspondence and agreements tracked digitally for a complete audit trail. With TraceGains, you can digitize everything from raw materials to packaging to finished goods specifications, then use the data to power configurable dashboards and reports to determine compliance against label claims, nutrition targets, thresholds like Prop 65 amounts, and country of origin. TraceGains Network Product Development Suite plugs into your existing PLM system to increase supply chain transparency and speed up innovation. Or you can use TraceGains standalone to manage it all for less cost and complexity of a full-blown PLM system. Smart Alerts offers visibility into supply chain threats and regulatory risk for existing, experimental, and alternative ingredients and raw materials across suppliers and geographies by strategically exposing relevant incident and alert information directly to food safety and regulatory teams. Throughout the development process, Smart Alerts ensures product integrity, supply chain resiliency, and brand protection for innovative and experimental products. Market Hub, a powerful sourcing directory, lets your team search for ingredients, items, and more, with advanced criteria like country of origin, organic and kosher, and many more. Integrated with Formula Management, the data in Market Hub auto-populates recipes, allowing teams to digitally model unlimited formulations with real supplier and ingredient data to reach ideal product criteria faster. Automatic version control with rollback capabilities ensures all documentation, formula variants, and information exchange are digitally tracked and searchable for a complete audit trail. Formulas define the number of servings, serving size, unit of measure, and the computational method. And dynamic change management capabilities provide insights into the upstream and downstream impact of changes before they happen. Modify formulas in real time with quick access to nested recipes, Market Hub, and suppliers. View real-time reports to determine the impact on nutrition criteria for variant formulas. Scan allergen declaration attributes across experimental ingredients and sub-recipes. Examine formulation factors against predetermined limits for cost. Substantiate label claims with instant access to regulatory documents, citations, or established business rules, supported by over 300,000 scientific studies. Finally, compare the presence and impact of nutrition amounts, allergens, cost, and claims across unlimited recipe variants to find the best combinations prior to sample creation. Go from manual processes to automated results by digitizing and streamlining your product development program with TraceGains for better, faster innovation. Request your demo today at TraceGains.com.